Alright, today I'm going to cover the dance Standing Next to You by Jungkook. I know it's a bit late, but I just took my time to make sure that I know the dance 100%. And as always, I'm going to break it down step by step so that you guys can easily follow along. Alright, let me just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn. Alright, so the first minute section goes like this. Alright, let me break it down for you. So what you want to do is go right, left, right? So you're going to step right, left, Now, if you want to do it properly, you want to go heel, heel, flat foot, right? I'm showing it from the side. Heel, heel, flat foot. You can also, if you want to do the easy version, just go flat foot, all right? It's going really fast, so you probably won't notice it anyway. So, right, left. So far, so good, right? Now, what you want to do with your arms is go cross. I would say it almost doesn't matter which one is in the front because it goes so fast, but my right is on top of my left, right? So I go cross, I go rotate it around, now the left is on top, and then I just want to go out to the sides. Okay, so let me just repeat that. Right on top, I go rotate around here, now left is on top, then I just move them out to the sides. Okay, just try that a couple of times. Rotate, out. Cross, rotate, out. All right, once you're ready, let me just recap mini section 1 here. We go right, left, cross, rotate, out. Let me just show it from the side as well so you get another view here. You go right, left, cross, rotate, out. All right, before we start practicing this mini section 1, let me just explain the timing as well. So he sings something next to you and something next to you, and then it goes something next to, and then right after 2, we want to go all right? Let me just start from the side. All right, so let's just try and practice. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna count 5, 6, 7, 8, and then actually, you know what? I'm just gonna sing standing next to, and then we start. Okay, that's gonna be easier. Standing next to, Let's try that again. Standing next to, Now feel free to practice at your own pace, and also if you're stuck here, for example, just practice that a million times, just this part, and then once you know how to do it, then just go back to combining the whole mini section 1. All right, moving on to mini section 2, let me just show you a quick preview of what you're about to learn, all right? So right after, from here, preview, you're gonna do, hey, cat. All right, let me break it down for you. But before I do, I just want to say that just remember that if you have the patience, I promise you that you can learn this dance. All right, let's go. I'm gonna break down mini section 2. So mini section 2, right after mini section 1, you want to say jump on your left like that. Okay, so when from here, I want to say jump. Okay, now as I do that, I also want to throw my right arm around like that. So it goes, hey, all right? Now, as I'm jumping here, I just want to do a small tap with my right. So the jump looks like this. Tap, okay? Just try that a few times. Tap, all right? Try it a few times. Jump, tap. Now from here, what you want to do right after the tap is jump again on your left, but this time you're going to kick the right to the front, all right? I think I should do a small jump backwards here. So I do, okay? Very subtle. So let me just recap mini section 2 here. I went from end of mini section 1. I want to go, hey, cap, kick. All right? There's a small detail here. I put my right arm out to the opposite side of where I'm kicking. Okay? So let me just show you. Just watch. I'm going, wing. Now, let me just explain the timing as well before we practice. So the timing goes, he sings, hey, that's when we start the jump, all right? And then it goes, cap. That's the sounds in the songs. So, hey, cap. That's what we're gonna hit. So from here, hey, cap. That's basically it. Okay, let me show you again a bit slower. It goes, hey, cap. All right, let's practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say 8, 5, 6, 7, 8, hey, cap. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, hey, cap. All right, before we move on to minute section 3, I actually think that we should do a quick recap of minute section 1 and 2 so that you don't forget, and also to boost our confidence a bit. All right, so let's just go back here. I'm just going to recap here. We did from the tip to the top, right, left, cross, rotate, out, jump, tap, kick. Okay, and with the timing, it goes something next to hey, cap. All right, try and practice with me. I'm gonna go slow. I'm gonna sing. Standing next to hey, cap. Let's just try that one last time. Standing next to hey, cap. All right, moving on to minute section 3. Let me show you a quick preview. So right after minute section 2, we ended here. 3, it goes boom, boom, boom. All right, let me break it down for you. So right after minute section 2 here, you want to jump out like that. All right. So I went from here, the right is up, now both legs down, all right? Slightly bent. Now from here, what I want to do with my arms is, my right is down here, my left is sort of in the back. And then I want to say, open, roll, up. Okay, so my wrist, roll, okay? So you go open and roll up to your head, okay? Then just repeat, here, with your arms, go open, roll, up, okay? And just go a bit back here, whoop. You wanna go boom, roll out, roll up. Now, as you do that, if you want to, you can do this groovy thing where you go back and forth. Well, it's not actually back and forth, it's more like to the left here, back, left, right, all right? As you're doing this, roll, up. All right, so it's left, right, left with your hip. Okay? Recap of minute section 3. So from here, what I want to do is jump out, boom, open up, roll, up. All right, let's just try and practice that. I'm going to skip the timing this time because it's going to make more sense when I explain it later. All right? So from here, I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to go jump, open, and up. All right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, open, and up. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump, open, and up. All right, moving on to minute section 4. Let me show you a quick preview. So right after here, 4 goes wing, 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 wing. All right, so minute section 4 is basically the inverted heel toe, as I call this move, right? If you don't know how to do this move, go watch my heel toe detailed breakdown of how to do this move, all right? You need to be able to know this in your sleep, all right? So let me just quickly explain. So you want to go step on your right here, the left goes on your heels, flicking your toes slightly to the side. Now, when you're in this position, you want to go up on your toes, both legs, and then your heels go outwards. All right, let me show it from the side. It goes like this. Away, out. All right, and then you want to repeat it to the other side. Now that you've done this, you want to go wing, wing. All right, so that's the move. At the same time, you also want to do the arms, which goes like this. You want to go out, and then you want to bring your right in the front, and then up on your hip. Okay, so when you put it together, it's going to look like this. This is end of minute section 3. 4 goes in, out, in, out. All right? I'm just gonna show you again. This is in a 3. 4 goes in, out, wing, here. Now the timing is very easy. It just goes do, 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 do. All right, that's it. Let's just try to practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go do, 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 do. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Do, 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 do. All right, guys, I think it's time to do a recap from minute section 1 to minute section 4. All right, I'm just do a quick recap here, and then we're gonna practice. All right, so from the tip to side we go right, left, cross, rotate, out, jump, kick, tap, kick, jump down, open, roll, up, and then inverted heel toe, out, here. And let me just show you with the timing as well. So it goes next to do, 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 do. Hey, do, 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 ka, do, 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 ka, do, 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 do. All right, let's practice, guys. I'm gonna go standing next to do, 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 and so on. All right, standing next to do, 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 do. Do, do, do. Hey, do, 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 cat, do, 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 do. All right, let's try that again. I'm gonna sing. Get ready. Standing next to do, 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 do. Hey, do, 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 cat, do, 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 do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.